Hi, today I'm going to share with you how you can secure your account on Digital Surge just a little bit more. So follow along step by step and I'll show you how you can do this. So first up, you'll need to come to the top right of your Digital Surge account on the home page. Make sure you are signed up, or if you haven't registered already for Digital Surge, I'll leave a link in the description below. So once you've signed into your account, you'll need to go to this tab on the top right here. Click on that. Click on bank details here. So once you have signed in, now you just go to the top right here and click on profile. So once you're on the profile here, you need to go to this side here and click on two-factor authentication on. So now you need to verify your information. So you will get an SMS code to your phone. So this is automatically set up when you do sign up to Digital Surge. So just get your phone and go to the messages tab and you should see a verification message on there. So once you've typed in your code, just click on verify, and then now you need to download the two-factor app, and I'm going to share with you how you can do this step by step. So now we need to download the Google Authentication App. So this is really simple. So for iOS, you just need to go to the App Store. For Android, you just go to your App Store, the same sort of thing. The same thing is it's the same process either way. So I'm just going to go to the App Store. Now I need to search up the app Google Authentication. It should come up itself. Google Authentication App. So this is the official Google Authentication App right here on the top. As you can see right here, I'll put my mouse over it. So this one right here. I've already got to download it. But if you haven't downloaded it yet, just download it and follow the processes and you should have the app on your phone. The next step is you need to open your app and now you need to add it. As you can see, I've got a bunch of others added already, and you need to click on this little plus sign here on the bottom right. Now you can enter the key code right here, or you can just take a photo of it. So what I would do is take a photo of it, and then I'll just shine it onto the actual authenticator code right there that I just seen. So as you can see at the bottom there, I have now got my Digital Surge added. It says a name, and now that's the code that you will need to put in on the next page. Now you can have a backup as well, so make sure to save this key. If you do lose your phone or anything happens to the app, you will have a way to get your account back. So definitely keep that code somewhere safe. Next step is you need to take the code that you just got at the bottom here, you need to now confirm it into here. So what you would do is type the code that I just showed you into here, 87315. This is just to confirm it, and you should have it set up now on the top right here. So that's how simple it is. Add a bit more security and add some authentication security to your Digital Surge account. If you haven't signed up already on Digital Surge, I will leave a link in the description below. And if you liked the video, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.